This lion came for a trim and left with a full glow-up. Someone's ready for the Savannah Fashion Week.
Told you, you're gonna have the best mane on the Savannah.
He thought bamboo was wild. Then he tried this ride. That face says it all. He's looking for something comfy, yet classy. Size 8 in paws, please.
Go ahead, check them out. Let me know what you think.
He swears he's just practicing scales. Neighbors call it a concert. No license, no problem. Tour de Goat is officially underway. When leg day hits, it hits heavy. Respect the trunk strength. Steady hands, perfect pour. That heart-shaped foam deserves a medal. He waited for the jump scare to strike. Smooth, silent, snack secured. He saw the camera and gave it his best look. Barefluencer mode activated. Typing at 120 nuts per minute. Top of the class. No plagiarism detected. He takes his job seriously. One whistle and everyone freezes. A gentle melody through the trees. Even the birds stop to listen. New animal moments drop every hour. Hit subscribe and don't miss the next one. He wanted chills. He got them. Next time, stick to cartoons. World news, weather, and worms. Just another calm morning. He blew the candles with one breath. Best party guest ever.
Happy birthday!
Al dente perfection, 0 spills. Michelin star bunny confirmed. Morning commute never looked this chill. No quacks, no complaints.
Most commuters.
He's even riding the sway.
Smart bird.
He's been on hold for 9 lives already. Still polite, still purring. Who needs a ladder when you're built like this? Efficiency level, maximum. He's small, but he knows every bolt. One turn, and the engine purrs. Balance, focus, and pure chill. Surfs up, down under. He dribbles, he shoots, he scores. Jungle MVP unlocked. Cold-blooded beats, hot crowd. This DJ bites harder than the bass. Altitude steady, feathers calm. Captain Polly reporting for duty.
Good. Keep an eye on that sunrise. It's a beauty.